10 keys to making a relationship last forever. Want to know the very best relationship advice? How to make a relationship last long. Even how to make a relationship last forever. Erin here, your personal love expert from the channel where we make men make sense, VixenDaily. This video will show you the 10 keys to making your relationship last forever and how to be happy in a relationship. It'll also show you how to be happy in general and will give you what most relationship psychology does not cover, as well as most relationship and dating advice. When you don't know the 10 keys, you end up with a relationship that falls apart, even if it's based on true love. But when you do know the 10 keys, you actually have a relationship that won't end in heartbreak. And in this video, I'm going to also share my last forever technique that bypasses any roadblocks and secures your relationship. So if you're ready to learn the 10 keys to make a relationship last forever, then write "I'm ready" in the comments while the intro plays. This video has been requested so many times, so I do hope that you guys enjoy. But before we dive into today's video, I have a very small favor to ask. If you like this video, if you like any of my videos or anything about me, if you like what I'm wearing, if you like love advice, leave me a like, a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share, subscribe, tell people about it. This is gonna be the dating advice that makes your relationship happy. So, I'm gonna dive right into number 1. You should appreciate your partner. So I have a task for you. Take the time right now to identify what you like about your partner and write it in the comment section below. So it's important to focus on the good and realize that appreciation goes a long way. So as I said, let me know in the comments what you appreciate about your partner, because it's going to help you out, because it'll create this appreciation vibe in you, and appreciation goes a long, long way. So do that right now and share with the community. Number 2, never compare your partner or relationship to others. So you don't know what's going on behind closed doors in other relationships, so make sure that you are looking at your own relationship and how to make it better and the good things about your relationship, and not trying to compare to others and what they're doing. Very, 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 very important. Most relationship advice for women actually doesn't cover how to make a happy relationship. And here is my last forever technique that I actually mentioned at the beginning. It is so simple and so powerfully effective. So get ready for it. Number 3 is going to cover this. So don't stop being who you were at the beginning of the relationship. That is the technique, the secret to making a man interested and keeping him interested. The secret to getting him interested is exactly what you did. You were yourself. He liked you for who you were, right? But don't start changing things up. That's how to make it last forever. So he fell in love with that person at the beginning. Don't go changing things up and becoming someone who thinks because you have a relationship that it's all done and you don't have to work on yourself anymore. I'm not talking about things like looking like a 20-year-old forever. No, men forgive the realities of life with a woman that they love. Wrinkles, waking after pregnancy, the occasional bad days or bad weeks. What I'm talking about here is that you don't abandon your life just because you're in a relationship now. You don't stop doing things you love, the things that fulfill you, the things that make you happy. A lot of people make the mistake of thinking a great relationship is something to make you happy. As in, you get it and just keep pulling happiness out of it forever. The truth is that great relationships aren't something you extract happiness from. They're something you bring happiness into, and that happiness gets reflected back to you through the relationship. That's why it's so important to keep living a full life that makes you feel happy and fulfilled, so you always have an interesting, fulfilling life that you enjoy, that recharges your batteries, so you will keep bringing the things to the table that you did in the beginning. You keep being that woman you fell in love with at the beginning, and you keep bringing that good energy from your life into the relationship. Number 4, you create traditions together. So it could be traditions that create bonding and build a relationship. It can even be an inside joke or something that you guys do together. Number 5, be in a good mood. When you're truly happy on the inside, it shines outward and attracts love to you. You set the emotional tone for the relationship, and he'll fall into alignment with your good mood. you don't look to your relationship as something to make you happy. Instead, you look at it as something to bring happiness into it, and it will reflect that happiness back to you. This is super effective because when you feel good, truly good on the inside, men really respond, and it fixes a lot of problems and even prevents a lot of problems too. Men can't get enough of the female energy they experience when you're in a good mood. It's very addicting for them, in fact, and it's a key to how to keep a man interested. By the way, if you like these tips so far, please give me a like so I know to give more tips like this. And let's get right into number 6, give gifts. It doesn't have to be lavish, but it has to be thoughtful. Do you agree with this? Let me know in the comments down below. Number 7, learn that sometimes apologizing is key. It's not always easy to learn this skill, but compromise is key to a healthy relationship where you can acknowledge you are wrong. Dating relationship advice does not always cover this, and it is extremely important. Number 8, give him space. Space lets him miss you. Missing each other is crucial to keep the spark alive. Space is the best thing you can do for your relationship. Healthy relationships start here. Giving him space is the key to making a relationship last. When you know how to give him space, you know how to keep a long and strong relationship, and your entire perspective will shift, and you'll view giving him space as a good thing. Number 9, support his drive and mission as a man. Men want to be winners in the world, and supporting his mission is a great way to his heart. Identify what he gets amped up about and is naturally good at. Notice what deflates him and what motivates him and demotivates him. Even just giving him feedback on these things will help him see what brings out his best. So identify to him what brings out his best and what brings out his worst, and he will feel like you really understand him, which will cause him to open up to you more and make him value your opinion highly. Number 10, understand what men really want in the woman they commit to forever. Men and women are different, but when you understand what a man really responds to, you'll reach his heart and have a profound impact on his mind, heart, and soul. I actually put together a video on exactly what men want and the simple things you can do that make him want to commit to you and only you forever. So you'll see a pop-up in the upper right corner of this video for a link to watch an amazing video about what men want. So tap that link to learn these powerful secrets of what really reaches a man and makes him want to commit to you forever. What do you think about this list? What are you going to start using right away with your guy? Which one of these did you like the most? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I really hope that these relationship tips have helped you. And please do like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who you think might like this video also, because it really helps me out. And also remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button too for more tips to have the love life that you really want. And I will see you next time.